Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to be talking about the environmental impacts of plant-based meat substitutes. There is a great deal of agreement that going more toward plant-based diets and away from meat consumption is going to be a critical factor in both the health of populations and sustainability, and the health of the environment. But global consumption of meat has been increasing steadily, and at an increasing rate since before the 1960s. In fact, to meet the meat and dairy needs of the world population by 2050, we would have to further double the production of meat and dairy. On the other hand, just to maintain the level of damage to the environment at current levels, we would have to cut the environmental effects of livestock in half. How can these two disparate goals be reconciled? Every credible forecast on maintaining our future environment notes that lowering meat consumption is a critical requirement. Places with highly centralized governments, like China, can control meat consumption. But what about the rest of the world? Just appealing to people's sense of ethics and sustainability isn't going to work. The answer may be to provide them with easily accessible and highly palatable plant-based alternatives. Ethical and scientific arguments are quickly forgotten at the grocery store. People just like the taste of meat. Maybe the palatable plant-based alternatives need to be as close to real meat as possible. Plant-based food made for meat eaters. In 2015, Patrick Brown founded Impossible Foods with the goal of making a plant-based burger that burger lovers would say is the best burger they've ever had. The Beyond Meat company's goal is to create plant-based burgers that are juicy, meaty, and delicious. The company was founded with the goal of taking on the climate crisis by specifically addressing the meat consumption issue. How much better are these products for the environment? A comprehensive study showed that both products reduce land use, water use, and greenhouse gas emissions by about 90%. Studies on more than 50 plant-based meat substitutes have shown similar results. All are dramatically better for the environment, and there aren't significant differences between them in their environmental impact. The only significant difference was that those using eggs as a binder had a higher environmental footprint. The only way to improve this result would be to go right to the unprocessed peas and soybeans that Beyond Burgers and Impossible Burgers are made of, and eat them directly. The problem is that if people refuse to eat these unprocessed plant-based foods, then the real impact will be zero. While health, environmental impact, and ethical treatment of animals can get people to try new food products, to get them to stick with these products requires that these plant-based products have the appearance and taste of the meat products that they claim to simulate. In one study, college students were given traditional meat and dairy-based foods that they liked. Some were told that the food was actually vegan, and the rest were told the truth. Interestingly, those who were told that the non-vegan foods were vegan claimed to like and enjoy the foods more. Thinking food was vegan improved the subjective response to that food. Finally, another strategy has been to sneak some plant-based food into traditionally animal-based food to dilute their impact. Some major food companies are actually bragging about this veggie blend of meat products. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.